Husband. We're a family of 6 that live here in Point Loma. We have a 16-year-old daughter, Naya, twin 13-year-old boys, Rylan and Kellen, and an 11-year-old daughter, Finley. When our oldest daughter, Naya, was diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder at 3.5 years old, we were suddenly thrown into an unfamiliar world of countless evaluations, therapy, parenting classes, IEPs, and so much more. With no friends or family familiar with this new world we found ourselves in, we felt alone and overwhelmed. A family friend that knew of the struggles that we were facing introduced us to Dana and Autism Tree in 2010. We started attending some of the children's classes, beach days, parent meetups, and more, and we were able to meet other families going through the same things we were, receive invaluable guidance, and even help other parents navigate this world as we became more knowledgeable and experienced ourselves. We love and appreciate all that Autism Tree has to offer. However, Naya is definitely most fond of the Bridge to the Beach program. Naya has been a part of this program for at least 5 years now and looks forward to it every year. She enjoys the relationships she makes at camp as much, if not more, than she enjoys the water activities. She considers every helper that she's ever been paired with a close personal friend and absolutely beams with joy whenever we run into her past helpers outside of camp. To make it even better, for the past couple of years, our boys, and then even our youngest, who are part of the Junior Guards program now, have begun volunteering as helpers at Bridge to the Beach. It has become a staple in our summers and something for the whole family to look forward to. We are so thankful for Autism Tree, the way they opened their arms to our family as we worked through such a difficult time in our lives, and the continued support they have given to our family for over 13 years. We know the blessings it has been to our family, and we want to see their continued success to help make other families like ours better and help them through such hard times in their lives.
Woo. I gotta follow that. I'm gonna try and channel my inner Phil and talk about it. First of all, happy Auto and Autism Tree Day, everybody. Thank you so much for having us. Dana, you're amazing. Danielle and I have given, and my family company, Michael's and Yachts, have given over the years kind of inconsistently to Autism Tree, trying to give back when we can. And this year, Danielle actually came to me and said, and we're in a small minority, I didn't realize how many couples did not make it that have autistic children, so way to go. Sorry, I digress. She came to me and she said, hey, I want to start giving more consistently. Obviously, this is something that's near and dear to our hearts, and it's amazing being here with all of you people who it's obviously all so near and dear to your hearts, so it's really cool being a part of this tonight. But she said, I want to figure out how to give more consistently. They've given so much to us, and we want to give back. So we talked about it, and we decided that when I sell a boat, we're going to give a portion of those proceeds to Autism Tree. And so we reached out to Dana, who was obviously extremely supportive of that, and she came up with the Give Back program. Autism Tree has given so much to us and our family and continues to every year, and so we're able to give back. And you know, my business is a little bit inconsistent, never know when I'm going to sell a boat or how many each year, so it certainly motivates me to sell more boats because I get the knowledge that every boat I sell, I get to give some back to Autism Tree. So we thought that was a really cool way to do it, and I know there was, oh yeah, we brought one of the boats, it's lit up. So after the event, anybody who would like to, is more than welcome to walk through it. All you maybe even though we're waiting to talk for a boat ride tonight. We're definitely giving you radar though, because it's a little foggy out there. But please feel free after the event to walk down, take a look. We're happy to walk you through it. And yeah, there's a little QR code on your table that'll give you information. But thank you so much, Dana.